Hello everyone, welcome to another Wix tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add and connect payment methods to your Wix website. Now, this is very simple, so all you have to do is go here to select site, and this is on your site, right? And then what we'll need to do is we'll basically need to go to the right here, finances section. Here, click finances, and then here you will have payments. Immediately you will have payments, click manage payment methods. And here you can add and connect payment methods to your Wix website, whether that's PayPal, credit card, debit card, right? Or manual payment. So let's say we want credit card or debit card, we connect. And as you can see, we can basically connect Wix payments to our, basically to our Wix website, right? PayPal as well. And then right here, you can change your business location. Based on your business location, you will be able to connect and add different payment methods, right? So click see more payment options. Here you will have more payment options as well, which is pretty good, right? And if you have any questions or maybe you have some issues during connection, make sure to contact Wix support because they are really fast. They help me a lot in regards to this problem, a couple of months ago. So yeah, thank you guys for watching again, and we'll see you in the next video.